Hey everybody, Rick starting over. All right, I'm having some wild Alaskan pink salmon, right? Got this from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. Lots of protein, no sugar, no fiber, no saturated fat, a little bit of cholesterol, but maybe it's got some omega-3, right? The healthy stuff. So let's dig in a little bit here. I've already done a review on this with mayonnaise. I'm skipping the mayonnaise. And I have to say, tastes like salmon, but it is rather dry. Want a bite? There you go. Well, I know this is healthy, but man, is it boring. But I get used to it. Wild lemon, pink salmon. Healthy stuff, right? Another bite? All right. It's Rick starting over. Trying to eat better. I'm definitely eat better for one meal, right? No preparation. And a nice little foil pouch. Yeah, foil pouch food. That's a good thing. Yeah, you can have just one more bite. The rest is for me. All right. Is Rick starting over? No refrigeration needed. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. Till next time.